My friends, hello, Parker York Smith here. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I think we can all agree that having style is more than just wearing what GQ tells you to wear, right? In fashion, there are all of these rules, right? But you kind of have to understand the rules and then be able to break them in order to formulate your style. So today we're going over 10 style mistakes that are just gonna ruin your look. Now, before you get all angry and tell me that I'm wrong, remember that these are just my opinion. They're what work for me, and I think they'll work for you too. So, number 10, skin tight skinny jeans. They are over. Get yourself something slim fit and flattering for your body type, but not so tight that I can see all your junk. Number 9, the pants puddle. You know what I'm talking about when you see people with pants that are just way too long and it starts to puddle on top of their shoe. Ugh. Get your pants tailored so they land right at the top of your shoe or even crop them a little bit. And then with jeans, you can cuff them so that they land right at the top of your boot or a little bit above your sneaker if you want to show off a little bit of your sock or a little bit of ankle. Number 8, too many buttons. Now this might be one of my biggest fashion pet peeves, but you should never have all of the jackets on your blazer buttoned. For a 2-button jacket, you only button the top one. If you're wearing a 3-button jacket, you can do the middle one or the top 2. You never want to button the bottom button. It's amateur, it's bad, don't do it. Really quick fun fact.
The reason for this is because in history it was only the high-class members of society who were wearing suits, but they were also the ones who were eating all the food, so they were getting fat and they weren't able to button all the buttons. This caused tailors to design the jacket so it was the top button was the only one that you buttoned, and this is the way it's been ever since.
Number 7, too many trends. If you look in the mirror and you see someone who is wearing chunky dad sneakers, wide leg pants, a bold button-up shirt, and a bucket cap, you're wearing too many trends. The best thing to do is just to pick one of those, make it the central focal point of your outfit, and then surround it with just simple classic pieces. Number 6, square-toed shoes. Simply put, dress shoes should not be square-toed. Stick with a rounded toe, Oxford, or penny loafer, and you'll be styling. Number 5, over-accessorizing. We've talked specifically about this topic in a separate video, but you should never be wearing more than just one of each type of accessory. One ring, I mean, if you're married, you can wear one extra ring, but one necklace, one watch, one bracelet. That's all you need. Anything more than that, and you're gonna run the risk of starting to look a little bit messy. Numero 4, the visible undershirt. Undershirts are great. It's an easy way to stop yourself from sweating through your shirt, but you should not be able to see it at the neckline if you have a couple of buttons unbuttoned. Invest in a deep V-neck style or a tank top. That way, when you loosen your tie, it's not going to be visible. Number 3, too much matching. Now, obviously in fashion, matching is pretty important. You want to be able to kind of know what works with what, but you don't want to be too matchy-matchy. Your tie and your pocket square should not match. You don't want your t-shirt to match your sneakers that matches your hat. It's too much. Use complementary colors and it's going to work much better. By using different colors that complement one another, you're gonna kind of complexify. Ooh, I don't think that's a word, but it sounds cool. You're gonna complexify your outfit. Stick within a similar color palette as opposed to just being completely matchy. So go with earth tones. Do a brown hat with brown boots and a blue shirt. Number 2, blending in. This one may not be for everybody, but if you're out on the weekend and you look around at all of your buddies and you guys are all basically wearing the exact same outfit, try switching it up. Differentiate your outfit by wearing chinos instead of jeans or a sweater instead of a t-shirt. Not only is it gonna boost your style, you're gonna get more attention from the ladies. He looks so different, so cool. And finally, number 1, the golden rule. You had to know this was coming eventually. Wearing clothes that don't fit. Just because you see somebody on Instagram wearing things a certain way, which by the way, follow me on Instagram. Just because you see me wearing extra slim fit or a little bit oversized, it doesn't mean that it's gonna fit your body type in the exact same way. Understanding what fits for you is essential. Go to a store in your town, pick out a few things, and have the employees help you and let you know what fits and what doesn't. Once you learn that basic knowledge, you can apply it to everything that you're buying, and sooner or later you're gonna have an entire wardrobe of things that fit amazingly. There you go. 10 style mistakes I would recommend avoiding. I have made all 10 of these mistakes. That's why I knew to write them down. I'll probably continue to make them, but that's okay because style is a journey. If you disagree with any of these on your own, that's okay. For me, these are the rules that I like to kind of have in my head, that sometimes I'll break them a little bit, but ultimately they're kind of the tried and true things that I like to stick to. Let me know down in the comments style rules you like to follow. I'd love to learn some new ones. I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already. Tell a friend about the channel, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.